Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we learn, explore, discover professional training. This is the right place for you to train yourself about all professional courses. Today we will discuss about Project Charter. Here we will learn what is Project Charter, how to create a Project Charter, examples of Project Charter, other different terms used in high-level Project Charter. So let's start. What is Project Charter? It is a formal, typically short document that describes your project in its entirety. It including what the objectives are, how it will be carried out, who the stakeholders are. It is a crucial ingredient in planning out the project because it is used throughout the project life cycle. Next, the Project Charter typically a document which states that reasons for the project. It describes objectives and constraints of the project, who the main stakeholders are, and risks are identified. It states benefit of the project and also provides general overview of the budget. Next, how to create a Project Charter. First, write project title. Provide a brief overview of the project. Include the project title, date, and the names of the project manager and key stakeholders. Then, write the business case. Describe the background of the project, including any relevant historical information. Present the business case, outlining the reasons for undertaking the project, potential benefits, and risks. Clearly state the project's alignment with organizational goals and strategies. Then explain the opportunity statement. Explain the opportunity or problem that the project aims to address. Define the expected outcomes and benefits. Then understand project goals and objectives. Clearly state the overall goals and specific objectives of the project. Ensure that goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Then identify the project vision and determine the scope of the project. Describe the desired end state of the project. Explain how the project aligns with the organization's vision and mission. Also define the boundaries of the project. Clearly state what is included and what is excluded from the project scope. Provide a high-level overview of the deliverables. Then list all of the essential roles for the project, including customers, stakeholders, and day-to-day project team. Identify and list all stakeholders, including customers, sponsors, end users, and any other relevant parties. Clearly define their roles and responsibilities. Address their interests and expectations. Identify and list key members of the project team. Define their roles, responsibilities, and reporting structure. Establish communication channels within the team. Lastly, create an implementation plan. Also outline major milestones, dependencies, and timeline for the entire team and stakeholders. Identify potential risks that could impact the project. List assumptions made during project planning. Develop a risk management plan. Identify any constraints, such as budget, time, or resource limitations. Outline dependencies on other projects, departments, or external factors. Outline major project milestones. Develop a timeline that includes start and end dates for each phase. Identify critical paths and dependencies. Provide an overview of the project budget. Identify and allocate necessary resources, including personnel, equipment, and technology. Clearly define the criteria for project approval. Specify the individuals or groups responsible for approving major project deliverables. Outline the steps involved in implementing the project. Specify any training or change management activities required. Describe how project progress will be monitored. Define key performance indicators, KPIs, and evaluation criteria. Outline the criteria that must be met for the project to be considered successfully completed. Specify the process for project closure and handover. Include any additional supporting documentation, such as detailed project plans, technical specifications, or reference materials. Once you've gathered this information, you can compile it into a cohesive document to create a comprehensive project charter. Ensure that the charter is reviewed and approved by key stakeholders before the project begins. Next, see another way to project charter. Write project title. Appropriate short title for the project. Clearly describe what the project is all about in one line. Opportunity statement or problem statement. What is the pain area? Quantify the pain where, when, how much. What is wrong, not working and not meeting our customers' needs? When and where do the problems occur? What is the frequency of the problem? What's the impact of the problem on our customers or business or employees? What is the financial impact of the project and/or problem? Business case or benefits. Describe why should we work on this project? What is in it for the company? What happens if we don't work on this project? The business case should address these questions. Why is this project worth doing? Why is it important to do now? What are the consequences of not doing this project? How does it fit in with business initiatives and targets? Goal statement. What is the goal of this project? Describe the goal in a SMART format. Scope. What is in scope and what is out of scope? Team members. The project team includes the project manager and the group of individuals who work together on a project to achieve its objectives. It consists of the project manager, project management staff, and other team members who are maybe not directly involved with management but carry out the work related to the project. Project timeline. Approver. Let's see an example of project charter. Project title or project name is reduction of pickup order time. Problem statement. Customers are complaining about how long it takes to get their pickup orders. Currently, the total lead time for pickup orders is an average of 27 minutes. Business case benefits. Cycle time improvement for pickup orders will result in an enhanced client experience. Cycle time improvement could translate into monetary benefits because we will be seen as a more consistent and reliable pickup option, which could increase customer retention and revenue. Goal statement. The goal is to reduce the pickup order lead time from average of 27 minutes to an average of 20 minutes by the end of Q2 of this year. Scope. Process start. Customer places an order for pickup. Process end. Customer picks up the order at the location. Out. No new staff or technologies. In. Job descriptions, layout, process steps. Timeline. Define all timelines such as of each phases, such as define, measure, analyze, improve. Next, other different terms used in high-level project charter. Next, project sponsor. The sponsor should be the process owner or line management at a level that can allocate resources for the project. A project sponsor plays a critical role in the success of a project. The project sponsor is typically a senior executive or high-ranking member of the organization who has a vested interest in the project's outcome. Responsibilities are championing the project. Act as the primary advocate and supporter of the project within the organization. Ensure that the project aligns with the overall strategic goals and objectives of the organization. Providing resources. Allocate necessary resources, including budget, personnel, and equipment to support the project's success. Help remove obstacles or barriers that may hinder project progress. Decision making. Make key decisions related to the project, especially those that require high-level approval. Resolve escalated issues and provide guidance on critical project matters. Stakeholder management. Engage with and manage relationships with key stakeholders. Communicate project updates and ensure stakeholders are informed about the project's progress. Risk management. Assess and manage risks associated with the project. Work with the project manager and the project team to develop strategies for mitigating risks. Project charter approval. Review and approve the project charter, ensuring that it aligns with organizational goals and objectives. Monitoring progress. Regularly review project status reports and milestones to ensure the project is on track. Intervene when necessary to address issues and keep the project moving forward. Supporting change management. Assist in managing organizational change that may result from the project's implementation. Ensure that the organization is prepared for the changes brought about by the project. Project closure. Review and approve the project closure, ensuring that all deliverables are met and the project has achieved its objectives. Then, project leader. A project leader, often referred to as a project manager, is a crucial role in ensuring the successful planning, execution, and completion of a project. The project leader is responsible for overseeing all aspects of the project and coordinating the efforts of the project team. Key responsibilities are: project planning. Develop a comprehensive project plan that outlines goals, objectives, timelines, and resource requirements. Define project scope, deliverables, and milestones. Team leadership. Build and lead a project team, assigning roles and responsibilities based on team members' skills and strengths. Foster a collaborative and positive team culture. Communication. Establish and maintain open and effective communication channels within the project team and with stakeholders. Communicate project goals, progress, and challenges clearly and regularly. Stakeholder management. Identify and engage with key stakeholders, including sponsors, clients, and end users. Manage stakeholder expectations and address concerns in a timely manner. Risk management. Identify and assess project risks and develop risk mitigation strategies. Monitor and manage risks throughout the project life cycle. Budget management. Develop and manage the project budget, ensuring that resources are allocated efficiently. Track expenses and ensure adherence to financial constraints. Timeline management. Create and manage project timelines, ensuring that milestones are met on schedule. Adjust timelines as necessary in response to changing project requirements. Quality assurance. Implement quality control measures to ensure that project deliverables meet predefined standards. Conduct regular quality reviews and inspections. Problem solving. Address issues and conflicts within the project team promptly. Work with the team to develop solutions to challenges that may arise during the project. Decision making. Make informed and timely decisions to keep the project on track. Consult with stakeholders as needed, but take ownership of decisions. Closure and evaluation. Ensure that all project deliverables are completed successfully. Conduct a thorough project evaluation, capturing lessons learned for future improvement. Then, team member. Team members are individuals who collaborate on a project to achieve common goals and objectives. The success of a project often depends on the effectiveness of the team members and their ability to work together cohesively. Some key aspects related to team members. Roles and responsibilities. Role definition. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities of each team member based on their skills and expertise. Ensure that roles align with the project's objectives and contribute to overall success. Encourage collaboration and open communication among team members. Facilitate an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing ideas and feedback. Identify supporting roles such as subject matter experts, coordinators, or mentors within the team. Ensure that each team member understands their specific contributions to the project. Establish regular communication channels to provide updates on project progress. Schedule team meetings, check-ins, or status updates to keep everyone informed. Ensure that all team members are aligned with the project's goals and objectives. Communicate the significance of each team member's role in achieving success. Encourage a sense of ownership and accountability for tasks and deliverables. Foster a culture where team members take pride in their contributions. Recognize and appreciate the efforts and contributions of individual team members. Publicly acknowledge achievements to boost morale and motivation. Effective teamwork is essential for project success, and creating a positive and collaborative team environment is key to achieving optimal results. Next, methodology. Generally, the methods used in any projects either make or DFSs or both. Make and DFSs are methodologies used in the context of Six Sigma, a set of techniques and tools for strong process improvement. Let's look at the definitions of make and DFSs. Make. Definition: make stands for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. It is a systematic and data-driven methodology used to improve existing processes. Make is often employed when a process is not meeting customer expectations or is not performing at an optimal level. Phases are: define. Clearly define the problem, the goals, and the scope of the project. Measure. Gather data on the current process to establish a baseline and identify areas for improvement. Analyze. Analyze the data to understand the root causes of the issues and identify opportunities for improvement. Improve. Develop and implement solutions to address the identified problems and improve the process. Control. Establish controls to monitor the process and ensure that improvements are sustained over time. Application. Make is suitable for projects where the goal is to enhance and optimize existing processes. It's a structured approach to problem solving and continuous improvement. DFSs, design for Six Sigma. Definition: DFSs is a methodology used for designing or redesigning new processes, products, or services with the goal of achieving Six Sigma levels of performance from the outset. It is applied during the design phase rather than as a response to an existing problem. Phases are: define. Clearly define the customer requirements and project goals. Measure, translate customer requirements into measurable characteristics, CTQs, critical to quality, and establish design targets. Analyze, develop, and evaluate design concepts to meet customer requirements. Design, create detailed designs based on the selected concepts. Verify, validate the design through testing and simulation to ensure it meets customer requirements. Application, DFSs is used when developing new products, services, or processes, aiming to ensure that what is designed and implemented meets customer expectations and operates at a high level of quality from the beginning. In summary, MAKE is focused on improving existing processes, while DFSs is focused on designing new processes or products with quality and customer satisfaction in mind from the start. Both methodologies are integral parts of the Six Sigma approach to quality management and process improvement. Next, creating a schedule with milestones is a crucial aspect of project planning. Milestones are significant points in the project timeline that mark the completion of major deliverables, the achievement of key goals, or the completion of essential phases. Here's a general structure for a project schedule with milestones. Project start date. Official project kickoff and initiation. Project charter approval date. Approval of the project charter by relevant stakeholders. Detailed project plan completed date. Completion of the detailed project plan, including scope, schedule, and resource allocation. Kickoff meeting with team date. Start of the execution phase with a team kickoff meeting. Prototype development completed date. Completion of the initial prototype or key deliverable. Final deliverable completed date. Completion of the final project deliverable. Project closure date. Formal closure of the project, including documentation and handover. Then, team ground rules. Identify team review interval or time, place, information recorder and distribution list. Resources authorized for this project. List significant resources that must be made available and those that will be consumed to support this project. Examples: meeting rooms, experts, overtime pay, operations personnel, etc. Sponsor approval. Need approval of sponsor for this project. Thank you for joining us on the fast career growth journey. If you found value in today's content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us continue to create meaningful and actionable content for your career development. Feel free to leave comments below on topics you'd like us to cover.